In this video, I'll share 7 apps you can use to make money online in Ghana. I've made over 60 cedis in 2 days on this app and cashed out $500 over the past few years on this app as well. You don't need to have any experience, and these apps are usually available both for iOS and Android. But to be 100% honest with you, these apps will never really make you rich, and they will not replace a full-time job. Neither will you waste your time trying to make extra money online. The best part of this app is that they require no investment. Ready? Let's run the intro. Seven great apps to make money online in Ghana. 1. mCrypto. mCrypto is one of the best money-making apps that rewards you with real money by playing various fun games from puzzle to action. The app is for anyone looking to combine the fun of gaming with the benefits of earning crypto. mCrypto has many games to earn you real cash. Cash out is through Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, USDT, and BNB. 2. Premise. Premise is one of the best survey apps connecting with African institutions to sort out information. I have made over 65 cedis in 2 days by completing capturing tax missions in my locality. Opportunities on the app differ. Some instruct taking pictures of a building or school to answer venue-specific questions. To get paid tax on the Premise app, always log into the app around 12 midnight daily. You will be welcomed with a bonus of 0.25 cedis for joining through my referral link in the description. And that brings us to the third app on this list, Sweatcoin. Over the past few years, I have personally cashed out over $500 on this app. Sweatcoin app is based on the Ethereum blockchain and uses a unique algorithm that rewards you for completing daily tasks such as walking, running, or cycling. With a combination of Sweat Wallet and Sweatcoin, you can earn and withdraw your earnings into your USDT wallet. 4. Kenisco. Kenisco is a Ghanaian-based peer-to-peer selling app with various offers that rewards its users. You get a 20% chargeback whenever you purchase airtime or internet bundles or pay for your DSTV or GoTV bills. You can also promote other people's products, rewarding you with a 5% commission for each sale you make through your unique affiliate link. You'll be rewarded with 20 pesos if you use my unique referral code on the screen. 5. Rewardy. This app pays you for listening to music, playing games, and many other things. If you are looking for a great platform to make extra cash with your phone, Rewardy is the best place. Register with my referral link in the description to join this platform and we will earn rewards. Payout is through PayPal, Bitcoin, and Litecoin. You can also watch the video in the upper card here to learn more about this platform. 6. Packet Share. If you are looking for a side cash app to make free money on your phone, consider giving Packet Share a try. With this app, you don't need to do anything. You only need to share your internet on the app and the system will credit your balance. Download the Packet Share app with my link in the description and register an account. You will get $5 cash prize for joining. You can withdraw when you get $20. Lastly,